Hey, hi everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Let's continue today's session. First of all, let me thank you for coming on this 9 p.m. Very tough time for everyone to come after the working office hour. The first thing, am I audible? Do share your emojis so that I can continue my session. Make it fast. Great. Okay. So my screen is visible. Let's connect. So, hello everyone, and welcome to all the new members. First of all, who are coming today for the first time, I welcome you to HR Topper Institute, and thank you for coming today at 9 p.m. And all those who are watching on this recorded YouTube session, being a live session, I request everyone to be on live so that I can interact with you, watch you, understand you, and communicate with you. A small request to keep your mobile phone on a landscape mode so that you can watch it without any disturbance. Okay. So for the new people, my name is Anand Mudalia from Mumbai, Maharashtra. For 17 years, I have experience in HR, and for the last 3 years, I'm training students. So my expectation with all of you, participate. You can ask any question anytime and clear all your doubts so that I can go to the next session. And wherever possible, do share your experience and knowledge so that you can add up some value to it. So let's start. Before I start, am I clearly audible to all of you? Everyone, share your emojis. Be active. Be active. I hope everyone can see me, my slides. Great. Let's start. So today's topic is about XLOOKUP. Now you need to understand what is XLOOKUP. So what I named him is a superhero. You will be very surprised. Whoever is not using, he will be very surprised with today. And henceforth, you are not going to use any VLOOKUP, match function, HLOOKUP that is gone nowadays. Okay. So let me say the first version, the first time it was introduced in Microsoft 365 Office, that is Office 365 in March 31, 2020, I think during COVID only. So now it is available in 2021, not to the old one. So friends, don't get surprised that you are going and checking your office laptop, your personal laptop, and you're not able to see the function. So don't get surprised. This option is available in the latest version after 2021 and MS Office 365. Okay, clear with that? Now, this XLOOKUP has replaced, that means nowadays people are not using match, index, VLOOKUP, and HLOOKUP. That is what is XLOOKUP. Now you need to understand why we use VLOOKUP, or let's say HLOOKUP, or the XLOOKUP. Anyone have any idea why we use these kind of functions? Can anyone tell me?
To track the data from one seat to another seat. Which data we need exactly? For example, if you give a particular employee ID, if you want to find out whether he is present for the particular day or not, that
Hmm.
data we can able to get it using VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP.
Sure. Very good answer. So if I put in a very smaller way, suppose we are preparing a data, try to understand, no need to write anywhere. Today you just have to concentrate. So keep your pen, paper, pencil aside and concentrate. You will get two chances. One is to understand, second is to practice. So for practice, I will upload the video, you can practice. Now only understand. So that's my request. So you can concentrate. Suppose we are making a data. We are making a data in an Excel sheet, and suddenly we don't have some information of the employee. For example, mobile number, email ID, designation, CTC, suppose. So what happened? We have one more data where we all have the information. So to extract the data, to get the data from another source, we use VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and other functions. Am I clear till now? I'll make you understand. The concept, I hope you must have clear. Now the question comes, when we should use this function. When we normally use the HLOOKUP or VLOOKUP or the XLOOKUP is when we prepare an MIS, when we prepare an reports, any kind of data, when our boss gives us some work to do. At that time we are trying to use the function. So let me share the screen with all of you, entire screen. So give me a time. I hope, am I audible? Yeah, my screen is clear, right? So this is the entire screen. Great. So when we make any kind of report or data, we are using the XLOOKUP. Okay. Now, in the XLOOKUP, we have total 2 sheets. You know why I'm telling you all this? I'll give you a small example, dear, and you will be very surprised that what exactly you have to learn. I'll be more happy if you all people come on the screen and I can see you whether you are happy or not. So I'll give you a small example. When you go to an organization and you joined a company, so what happened? Your boss is teaching you how to prepare an appointment letter. Agree or not agree? So what he tells now, he takes you to the laptop and tells you, this is the folder, this is the file, copy paste that file, do some edit, take the printout, give it to the boss and sign it. How many people agree to this statement? This is what actually happens in the organization. Now there is two things. Most of the people don't know why we are preparing an appointment letter. What is the purpose of preparing an appointment letter? What is the concept? Even you are not asking anyone. Even boss does not have to teach you the concept. So what we are learning? The final stage. So when you are learning the final stage and don't know the foundation, that knowledge is no use, dear. How many people are understanding the concept? So whenever you start anything, the first thing you should know is why, what it is, why we are using, what is the purpose. That question why you should know. Unless you know the background and the foundation, you should not learn anything. It is of no use learning the final stage. That is an ending statement. The most important is the foundation. How many people understood the concept? So that is where I come into the role, and why people get connected with me is I try to teach the concept for 1 hour and 10 minutes for the function. How many people understood my concept? My payroll, to process a payroll, it hardly takes 3 days. How many days? 3 days. But I give 100 hours of knowledge to just for that 3 days so that you don't make a mistake. I'm just giving an example. I hope you are very clear what I'm telling. So I want you people to understand key what is important. So let me share. So I hope you can see my screen. So the concept is now, while using the XLOOKUP or VLOOKUP, we have 2 sheets. We have 2 sheets. What is that 2 sheets? One sheet where we are working, and another sheet from where the data is available and from where we want the data. So one sheet which we are working on, and one more sheet where we want the data. So let me show you the Excel sheet. Let's take an example. This is my data. This is my data. I'm preparing some kind of data, and suddenly I don't have the department name, branch name, example. I don't have. But this data is our working sheet where we are working, making some project data, anything, MIS reports. But the actual data is here. For example, the data which we want, we can take the data from this source. So this is another sheet or another file, another sheet or another file. So there are two different files. One is our working file and one more is the source file. So what I want now is I want department name of Mr. Satish, Shiv Prasad and all the name of the employee. Where is the department name? Here. Here is the department name. Can you see this department? This is the data. So what happened is I want this data to go correctly to this data of Mr. Satish Kumar. So there we require this function. So now please concentrate the next thing. I hope everyone is clear. There is one working sheet and there is one data from where we can extract the information. Now there are total 4 steps. If you want to write, you can write it down. 4 steps, but it is easily available in the formula. So no issue at all. Now let's understand these 4 steps. The first one is select the unique one. Now, so many people, you go and watch it in the YouTube, many people will try to share their way, their perspective. So nothing wrong. I always teach you in a very simple, so doesn't mean I am good. I'm just trying to share my experience. I will teach you some in a simple language. Select the unique one. For example, I have this data and I have one more data, source data. So between these two data, there has to be some unique one, unique information. So what is the unique information in an organization?
Employee
One
code.
is employee code, mobile number, Aadhaar card, email ID. I hope when you are registering for the Facebook or Instagram, we either use the mobile number or email ID because that is unique. But in organization, 99.99% we use only employee code. So let's say this is the unique one. Now, this unique one, the second step is where is the unique one? So we have to go to the Excel sheet. This is the unique one. Where is the unique one? This sheet has the unique one. So let me put a formula. Understand the formula is equal to XLOOKUP. This is the formula. Suppose you are typing XLOOKUP and you cannot see XLOOKUP. That means your computer does not have that function. Clear hua sabko? In case it is showing, that means your computer has this function. So write XLOOKUP. Now, what is the unique one? We are considering employee code as a unique one. So comma. Now go to the data, source of data, other file. Let's say I'm going to the file and select again the unique one, this column. Select the unique one and freeze. That is fix it. F4, that is $sign. Fix it. Now, comma. Now the third step, what you want. What you want from this data. So I want branch. So I will select this branch and F4, close the bracket. Why it has not come? Can anyone tell me?
Because you have not chosen which data you need, that you need to enter here.
Very good. So let's again begin. Very good option. XLOOKUP. Now let's see the lookup value. That is, what is the most important unique one, comma. Now going to the lookup array. So we are going here, the lookup array. That is the unique one. Now the comes is what you want. What you want? You want branch. F4 and close the bracket. Can you see? Delhi has come. In VLOOKUP, now I'm trying to do the VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP, select the unique one, first step, go to the Excel sheet, second step, select with the same one and select the range. Select the range and select the column, let's say 5 and close the bracket. So it has come mobile number example. So how many stages are there? 5 stages. But in XLOOKUP, you just have to do one step. Again, I'll show you. Is equal to XLOOKUP. Select the unique one, comma, unique one. Go to the source file and select the unique one range. Only one range. In VLOOKUP, we used to select the entire range. But here, we don't have to use anything. We just have to use one range. And comma, we have to fix it. So F4, comma. Now the question comes, what you want. The third stage is what you want. I want designation. So I will select this designation, fix it. That is F4, dollar, and close the bracket. See, designation has come. Immediately the designation has come. Now, in VLOOKUP, try to understand. Okay, you have to see one more time. Just try to understand. In VLOOKUP, what was the common thing? The unique one should be on the left side, and even in the source file, it has to be on the left side. But it is not like that in the XLOOKUP. So I'll give you an example. Now let's say I'm taking the common thing as a mobile number. Let's say I'm taking common thing as a mobile number, going to the source file. I don't have to select the entire range. I just have to select the mobile number. That's it. That is a unique one. Instead of employee code, we selected mobile number. Now freeze, comma. What I want name. See, I'm going this side. I'm going this side, which is not possible in the VLOOKUP. I'm selecting name. Fix it and close the bracket. Can you see? The name has come. So in XLOOKUP, we don't have to go on the left side like this. No option. You can choose anything. You can choose from the left side, from the right side. That is the best part of the XLOOKUP. So what you have learned? One, again, I'll do it. Let's say I'm doing for a branch is equal to XLOOKUP. Select the unique one. Let's say the mobile number, comma, go to the source file and select the unique one. So again, the mobile number. So this becomes the common on both the sheet. So fix it, comma. Now what you want? I want designation. So I just select the designation, fix it, that is F4, and close the bracket. Can you see? The designation has come. How many people are very clear with it? Very easy. Anyone have any query? Just the first part. Anyone have any query? Anyone have any query? How many people understood on the first level? Select the unique one, go to another sheet, select the unique column, and whatever you want, you choose. Can I go ahead? Anyone have any query? Please ask. Don't feel shy what others will think. You have to ask. Make it fast so that I can go to the next thing. Great. So let me go to the next level. So I hope you can see my screen. I'm just starting it. Okay. So unique one. Now I'll show you the next level, Excel sheet. Now let's go an idea of XLOOKUP. This is HLOOKUP. Now what is HLOOKUP? We don't have the data in this way. We don't have the data in this way. HLOOKUP is in the this way. Okay. Now what we have to do? Let's go and
It's
do it.
horizontal.
Yes. Now HLOOKUP. Now see is equal to XLOOKUP. Select the unique one, that is employee code, comma, go to the data which is available in the this horizontal side, select the common one, that is employee code, fix it, freeze it, dollar sign, whatever name, comma. What is the third step? What you want. What you want. So let's say you want the branch. So select the branch, entire branch, and freeze it and close the bracket. Wow. Done. How many people understood? Easy. HLOOKUP also nothing. Either you select this way, either you select this way. The options, the process remains the same. Can I go ahead to the next one? So how many
Servo,
people are? Yeah, please.
Sir,
Yes.
please give me
servo.
1 second.
Okay, I'll show you. See, very simple HLOOKUP also is equal to XLOOKUP, the same formula. Select the unique one. Let's say you got a data from the computer, from the outsiders in this way, this format. Serial number, employee code, same. So instead of selecting this way, I am selecting this way. I've selected the employee code range and freeze it. So Manisha, in this stage, what we have done, we have selected like this employee code. Agree or not agree? We selected this way. Now I'm selecting this way. The selection remains the same. So I'm selecting the employee code and freeze it. F4, comma. Now what you want? You want a branch. So I'm selecting the branch. So instead of selecting this way, I'm selecting this way. Freeze it. F4, close the bracket, enter. Clear, Manisha? The process remains the same. The steps and methods remain the same. Only the line changes from horizontal to vertical. Everyone is clear now?
जी
Okay. Can I go
सर
ahead to
वो
the Chetan? आपको clear हुआ?
सर वो फिक्स करने का क्या बोला आपने F4 दबाने का बस
F4, F4. I'm coming to that. Don't worry. अभी है dollar sign है. I will teach you. I'll go one by one. Clear हुआ सबको? At this stage, everyone share your reaction so that I can go to the next one. Chalo, great. So let me go to the next stage now. Now I'm going to, I'll show you this, don't worry. Key, what is NA? So let's see what is NA, okay? Now let's say, instead of here, I'll show you here. The moment I put, let's say I put like this, okay? Can you see? Employee code, no? Let's say, in this dashboard, the source file, this employee code is not there. So what will happen? Our entire data, where it is, we have done the XLOOKUP based on what mobile number we have done. Sorry. So what I'll do is I'll try to remove one mobile number. Okay, I removed one mobile number. So what happened? This one has come error. Can you see this? Because when we search the data, the Excel file did not have our data. So it has come in the not applicable. Everyone is clear with this function? So what we can do is there is one more option beyond this. Can you see this? When I remove this, there is the fourth column, if not found. Can you see the fourth column? If not found, the fourth one. The first one is select the unique one. Second formula, go to the other sheet and select the unique column. And the third one is what you want. Select that column. Now the fourth part. If not found, then what you want? You can write 0 and close the bracket. Can you see? You got the 0. Instead of 0, even if you write something not available, anything, whatever you will write here, it will come here. What is the formula? If not found. So in case if it is not there in the data, what you want? I want not available. I want blank dash. I'll put dash. If not found, what you want? You want to make it blank, then make it blank. So whatever you write in that apostrophe or double quote, whatever you say, that will come. How many people understood the concept? Share your reactions. How many people understood the concept? The fourth formula is if not found. Agree, everyone? Any question? Any question? Can I go ahead? Mr. Selvam, clear? Chalo. Great. Thank you. Let me go to the next stage now. Let me share the screen. I'm going very slow so that you people can understand, but please ask me question if you want one more time so that I can explain you. Don't feel shy what others will think. Okay. Chalo. Let me go to the screen now. Okay. So let me go to the Excel sheet. Now I'm going to the next one called double Excel. That is XLOOKUP. Double. What is the meaning of double means? I'll give you two options. I want employee code also, but every time I will not do XLOOKUP for mobile number, XLOOKUP for branch, XLOOKUP for. So how many times I have to put formula? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God, X, Y, Z. So this many times I have to type the formula. So instead of doing that, why don't we take the help of the headers? Why don't we take the help of the headers? So my question is, the unique one is employee code. Now what is the second unique one? The header. The header. So you have to ensure the spelling should also be there. If the spelling is branch and in your source file it is branches, it will not match. I'll give you an example. Just today in the afternoon, I don't know whether my student is there or not. He called me, said, "Sir, what you thought? I'm not getting the function. I'm not getting that function." Now, what mistake he was done? Simple was, in the Excel file, he have written CTC. Understood? CTC. Word CTC. And in his source file, it was written yearly CTC. Understood why it was not matching? It has to be a unique one. Just because of yearly CTC and CTC, it will not match. Even a space, if you have given, it will not match. That is called unique one. Am I clear, everyone? Can I go ahead? So let's understand कि if we have lots of data, why don't we take the help of one more unique called headers? Name, designation, department, basic. Do you think there will be double designation? Even if we have double designation, we can give a name as grade designation or role designation. But the headers cannot be duplicated. Agree or not agree? Can I go ahead? So let's learn the next stage now. Let me share. I hope you can see my screen. Let me go here and I am done with it. Okay. I hope you can see. Now I'm trying to teach you double Excel lookup. Okay. So let me start this. Please listen very carefully here. Is equal to XLOOKUP. Okay. Select the unique one. Select the unique one, comma. Go to the source file and again select the unique one. And you have to click on F4, function F4, so that it freeze it. We can say fix it. $sign. Am I clear? Comma. So this is one unique. How many people understood? This is one unique. Now I want one more unique. So we will add one more function, XLOOKUP, one more time. Again, one more time, XLOOKUP. And we will select the second unique one, that is mobile number. Can you see this mobile number? The top one, I'm choosing mobile number. Am I fixing it? F4, fix it, comma. Go to the source file and select the unique one. What is that unique? Header. So this is the header. Can you see employee code? I'm selecting the headers. That is a unique one. And F4, freeze it, comma. Now can you see written arrays? What you want? The third. See, first one was select the unique one, go to the sheet and select the unique one. Second, select the unique one more formula, select the unique one. Again, go to the Excel sheet, select the unique one function. Clear? That row. Now, the third one, what you want. So here, we will select the entire range because we have selected the entire column. So we will select the entire range and fix it. Close the bracket. Can you see? The mobile number has come. The moment I change branch, why it has not come? Because in the source file, it is written branches. So the moment I change here, branches, wow, superb. The moment I change org, it has come. Date of joining, it will come in the numbers. If I say employee name, wow, superb. How many people understood the concept? Again, I'll explain you. Nothing wrong. So please, if you want, you can write it down. The first, understand the way I trying to share with you. I'm trying to share with you. 1 is equal to XLOOKUP. That is a formula. Select the unique one. Go to the Excel, that is source file, and select the unique one. Select the unique one from our Excel and select the unique one column from another Excel, that's the source file, and F4, that is freeze it, comma. Now we have one more option. I also want the branches. So here I'm trying to add one more function, that is same XLOOKUP. So one more formula. Select the unique one from our working file, that is branches, and fix it, comma. Go to the source file and select the unique one, that is header. This time the header, fix it, comma. Now, what you want? The question is what you want. So there I will select the entire range I want from this range. F4, freeze it and close the bracket. Wow. How many people understood this part? Second major blockbuster. You don't have to use any VLOOKUP now. No need to use any match function, index function, HLOOKUP. Everything is gone. Just with one formula, XLOOKUP. Nowadays, for the last 2 years, I'm not using VLOOKUP at all. But the only thing is, this function is available in the Office 365. Now, there is another thing. Can I go ahead? Anyone have any question? Please ask. I'm here. Start so that I can go to the next level.
People raise their hands, you can check.
Yes, Mr. Selvar?
There are two people raise their hands, just you can check.
Nay, I want them. So that is what I'm telling. Come on. Anyone have any question? Come and ask. Please be on mute. Yeah. Two people have. Parmanand Rao.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Mr. Yes. Any question? Anyone have any
Yeah,
question?
yeah, sir. Actually, can you repeat this formula?
Which
Sorry,
formula?
XLOOKUP.
See, entire thing, it is very difficult. You can watch the recording and again you can. Anywhere you are stuck and you didn't understood, you can ask me again. Because each function I'm sharing 3-4 times so that you can understand. Right or wrong? So
Okay,
again,
okay,
another 10 minutes I'll not be able to take. You can watch it tomorrow,
okay,
no problem. But anywhere you have stuck, in which step you can ask me, I can show it to you. But still I will show 2-3 steps are still there, so you can learn, nothing wrong. Anyone else
okay,
have
sir.
any question, any confusion? Can I go ahead now? Share your reaction so that I immediately, come on, there are so many people. Why less reaction? Chandan, no need to raise your hand, dear. Immediately you can ask question if you have. Chalo, I'm going to the next one. So this is the most toughest part of the Excel as per feedback from my student for the last 3 years. The confusion between the freeze, that is $sign, fixed sign, everything. Now I'll tell you the reality. Now try to understand, friends. Please concentrate. One of the serious part, confusion part, why we use $sign, fixed sign, and everything. So let me give you an example. I have selected this. Am I clear, everyone? I have selected this. In the case of the first one, we just did control select. For example, if I just selected this and copy pasted, everything has come in a proper way. Okay. Source file. Huh. Everything has mobile number. Where is the mobile number? Chalo. Done. In the first one, it has come automatically. But now in this one, the moment if I control D, that has copied this formula here, it has come. But if I copy this one here, it is not coming. Why? Can anyone tell me why?
Branch and branches.
Very good answer. But it is not coming here. So let me change this into something else. So I'll remove this column. Example, I'll keep it mobile number. So let me tell you one thing, how the functions work. Okay, I'll remove this also. Now please understand the function. I'll give you this $sign example. Okay. Okay. I have created a formula. Okay, I have created a formula. Now, can I click on here? You can see this red color. I hope you can see this red color and this red color. Clear? So I'll make this formula once again. The person who was asking, I'm sharing that once again. Is equal to XLOOKUP. Okay. Select the unique one, comma, go to the source file and select the unique column, the same unique column, F4. Fix it, comma. I want one more formula because I want one more function, the header. So again, I'm entering XLOOKUP. Okay. Select the unique one from my Excel sheet, that is working sheet, that is branches. Okay. Comma, comma, going to the source file and selecting the columns, that is a unique one because we are selecting the headers, fix it, F4, freeze it, comma. Now what you want, the third one is what you want. So I'm selecting the entire range and fix it and closing the bracket. The moment I close, I get answer Delhi. The moment I write mobile number, I get the mobile number. Now, and listen here, sorry, please see this. The moment I click here, can you see this brown color, red color, that is branches, and the employee code. So from this, our Excel working sheet, we selected only two things and both were unique one. So what I will do, the moment I copy this in the next one, I am getting not applicable. Why? Because the moment I copy down, the function is also going down. The cell selection is also going down. For example, can you see this? The red color, earlier it was one step ahead. Now it has come automatically down. And here also it has come automatically down. Now if I copy this here, again you will see that this red color has come down. From Delhi, it has moved down. And here also it has moved down. That is what the function is. If I copy this and put it here, what is happening? It is in the branch. It is number one. The moment I copy here, everything gets shifted one step. Everything gets shifted one step. How many people understood? This is the way the Excel works. So what we want that in this case, this branch should remain there only. It should not come down. And this one should come down, but it should not shift to this cell. That means this one, example, this cell should not go this side and this cell should not go down. How many people understood the first concept? So we want this part should remain there only, but shift to the next part, shift to the next part, shift to the next part. And this one, we want that it should go down, but it should not move to the horizontal side. एक logic समझ में आया सबको? How many people understood the first concept? Ki in the formula, the moment we copy, it goes down. The moment we copy here, the everything moves to the next step. So we want one should go down, but should not come this side. And one, we want to go this side, but stop this side. So let's see how it works. Please listen very carefully so that you don't get confused. Okay, so I'm just sharing. Okay, I hope you can see my screen. So what I will do is, I have made this dollar sign here. So when you fix it, can you see this dollar sign? I hope you can see this dollar sign. So there is one dollar sign before B and before 1 in this way. Let's say this is the dollar sign. So let's understand the dollar sign. Can you see this dollar sign? This is the format. If this dollar sign is there, where both, see what is B? So let's understand now in a very simple way. What is B? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What is 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B means column. B means column. And what is number? Means row. Means row. So if I put a dollar sign behind the alphabet, that means no column wise. If I put the dollars behind the numbers, it will go down. So I'll give you one example. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I want in this column, that is B6, this one, it should not go this side. And what is this side? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And what is this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many people are trying to understand? Very simple. So I'll put a dollar sign behind the alphabet, dollar sign. The moment I put the dollar sign and I do Control D, let's see what happened. The moment I click here, it has come down. Now tell me what is the issue. Come on, you have to see so that you learn. Anyone?
Branch.
It's
Branch
nowhere
got,
linked with the branches.
no, it's the Delhi got selected, right? So it has to be
We have
branch.
selected Delhi. See, we have selected this column, employee code column, and given a dollar sign. So let's copy this one here. So what happened? We got the number. What does that mean? If we put a dollar sign in the B, so
B got
if
fixed.
yes, the moment I copy this formula here, I got the mobile number automatically. That means what? Let me make it small. Please listen very carefully. The moment I'll remove all this. No confusion. Please watch it very carefully. Very difficult to understand, but making it very, very simple. The moment I copied here and I freezed it, the B part. What I have freezed? B, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, that is column. So what we have done, now this Delhi, that employee code is not moving. Okay? Now this one is done. Now I want the moment I copy down, this also going down. Which one is going down? The branches. So what I have to do here, the branch part, the branch that is D5, I'll put the dollar sign behind the number. Now see, wow, and copy here, wow. Again, Control D, coming Chennai, and here, coming everything. So what we have done, the moment I freeze the B, so this employee code, the numbers, we have freeze the alphabet. And can you see, the moment I put the B, dollar sign behind the B, this employee code, this cell is not going this side. So we have blocked the alphabet. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it is remaining there only. If I click here, can you see the B column, that is this column, remaining there only because it is not moving. So we have blocked the alphabet. What is alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That is column. That means it is not moving from here. It will move only down because here we have not put the dollar sign out here. That means it is allowed to go down, but not allowed to go here. And in the case of branch, this one, please be on mute. I have put a dollar sign in this way behind the numbers. That means it will not go down, but it will go this side because I have allowed to move the column side. How many people understood one concept? Trust me, immediately you may not understand, no problem. It takes so many years, no problem. Just understand and watch this video once again and practice it. Immediately you'll understand. Only understand two things. What is ABCD? Column. Simple logic, column. What is alphabet? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 1, 2, 3, 4? It's a row. So if I put a dollar sign in alphabet, behind the alphabet, which says you should not move this side. How many people understood? Don't move this side. And if I put near the number, it says don't go down. So I'll show you the final one. So let's do the final one. I hope you can see my screen. Okay. Hope my screen is clear. Everyone can see. Now what happened? This is the function that we have done. So let me do the final one. So I'm doing for the final one. How within how many minutes we can complete the entire data. So I'm doing one only is equal to XLOOKUP. This is the last time I'm doing. So please listen. XLOOKUP. Select the unique one. Go to the source file and select the unique one and freeze it. That is fix it, comma F4. Now I want one more option. So again XLOOKUP. Select the unique one that is from our source, our working file. I'm selecting the unique one, fix it, comma. I'm going to the source file and selecting the headers because that is a unique one. Fix it and now what you want. So there are three formulas. Select the unique one from the source file and what you want. So I want the entire range. Fix it, close the bracket. But it will not come. Why? Because only one simple ES. The moment I change the spelling, perfectly it has come. Now what happened? If I control D, it will not come because our cells are moving down, our cells are moving down. If I copy here, this side, our cells are moving this side, even the numbers have been, that cell has been moved here. So what we have to do, we are linked with two important files, cell. One is the employee code. So we are going to freeze the column. I don't want employee code cell should move in this direction, but I want to go in down direction. So I'm putting a dollar behind the alphabet, that is column. And in the branches here, I'm putting behind the numbers, that is dollar, and enter. Can you see now? It is coming perfectly. So what I will do, I've just created one function, copy, Control V, and now Control C. I'll just go here to the top and select only once and Control V. Can you see? Here spelling mistake is wrong because I've written branch. So the moment I make branches, it comes automatically. See, within a span of maximum 1 minute, our entire data is automatically ready. So I hope I have shared you not only one time or two times, try to teach the same thing again and again so that we get an idea. So that is the at present. How many people understood the very simple concept? Only 3 steps. Select the unique one, go to the source file, select the same unique column. First step, everyone is clear? Second step, third step, what you want. What you want. That was one. Now, if you do double formula, then you have to again select one more XLOOKUP, select the unique one and select the unique one range. And the third one, what you want. Easy? I hope now from today onwards, in case you're using Office 365, you should not use VLOOKUP, match index or HLOOKUP. Clear hua? I hope I have replaced everything. Anyone have any query? Can I go ahead? Chalo, let me go to the next one. Let me see if something is there. Okay. Now, if not available, I have told you the fourth option that you can select the fourth one and write either 0, any words, anything. Done. So that is the overall. So double X lookup also I've told you, and I taught you what is the dollar sign, that is freezing this cell. Now I'll show you one miracle. Let me show you one more steps that definitely I'm going to teach you on Sunday. If I show you, suppose I'm on the interview and I'm showing this skill, this is skill, technical skill. Ma'am, can I show you one miracle that within a span of 5 seconds, how many seconds? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5. My entire salary structure is prepared in just 5 seconds. If this miracle you want to learn, we are coming up with a live session on Sunday at 6 p.m. So do not miss it. This one. Second, friends, whoever has liked the session, either you can comment on the YouTube tomorrow or share your feedback. I will share you this link, and do share whatever you felt the session all round. Suppose you want to learn not one or two function, 200, more than 200 function at a very minimal fees, you can connect us, contact us, our admission counselor. They are going to help you. And subscribe to our channel. You will be surprised. There are more than, so many videos are there on all related to the HR. Or if you want to go for Excel, then I have already eight functions I've already put, which you can watch it out here. Am I clear, everyone? So that was the overall concept about the screen. Let me show you once again. 1 minute. I hope you can see. Let me end up. Yeah. So I want you to subscribe so that you can watch it. So that was the overall concept of the XLOOKUP. I tried my level best to teach you in a
Thank you, sir.
good way.
Thank you so much for this.
Anyone? Thank you, dear. Anyone have any query before I end up? So
Thank you,
tomorrow
sir.
also we have a lecture. I think I'll planning for the next full 1 month, trying to come most of the time, every day at 9 o'clock. Let's see, at least for a half an hour, so that we all can learn together. Clear, everyone? So share with all your students, team members to come and join our group for free of cost. Nothing wrong. And if you want to learn the entire course, you can connect us. Nothing wrong. Done? Everyone happy?
Yes.
Chalo. The moment you start, the only thing what I want, my expectation from all of you who's also watching on the video, the moment you start applying, and suppose you felt happy, that moment, do text me that, sir, I started using XLOOKUP and it really changed my life. That moment will make me happy. Am I clear, everyone? So with that, I say goodbye to everyone. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
So when we will
Thank you,
get
sir.
this recording?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow at what, it will be
Not.
coming in on WhatsApp itself?
Yes. On you. Just
Okay.
subscribe to my channel. You will get the intimation.
Okay.
Done?
Okay, this
So please
HR topper
practice.
only, no?
HR top only.
Okay. Okay.